Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please watch this video till the end and let's get started with today's video. So Apple has released iOS 13.6.1 and iPadOS 13.6.1, and all in all it is a small update and brings various bug fixes without any visual changes or any new features to the table. So talking about some of these fixes, firstly it promises to get rid of the green tint issues on some of the displays, the reason behind which was the thermal management problem. This update also fixes the issue that disabled exposure notifications for some iPhone and iPad users. Additionally, this also fixes the issue in this version that prevented unused system data files from getting deleted automatically. And this is especially handy for the owners of older iPhones or iPads that do not have a lot of storage to work with in the first place. So this update's download size is about 110 MB, and since the iOS 14 is due to be released by this fall, this might as well be the last update to iOS 13. Moving on to the release dates of the iPhone 12, we already know that there will be some delay this year as Apple confirmed that the new iPhones would go on sale a few weeks later. But it seems the dates have been confirmed by John Prosser of Front Page Tech, and according to him, the iPhone 12 will be launched in the week of October the 12th, and shipping will start from the week of October the 19th. So it seems the rumors earlier that the iPhone launch will take place in two phases might just be true, as Apple plans to launch the iPhone 12 Pro series in November. And finally, talking of the new Apple Watch and iPad, it seems their launch is just about less than a month away. So guys, that's it for this video. Please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.